Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your account data to the Efootwear application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that, you should tap on the user icon down below, which is the last option. You should click on the My Account section, which is the third one, and tap on Account Data. Here you have the chance to edit account information, such as your first name by tapping into this first box, or to change your last name or your email address. If you want to change your password, tap on this box, and you need to type in your current password and then your new password, and then confirm your new password by typing it again. If you are done with all these steps, click on the save button down below in order to save all this information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.